Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Signals and Shadows. In today's episode, we will explore a big question wherein I have seen shake the foundations of many security teams. Are we mistakenly running security projects like software development projects? Here's a spoiler alert. Yes, and it's costing us clarity, control, and in some cases, real security. Now, why this is a problem? Let's break it down. In software development, success is often measured by speed, feature shipped, clean sprints, and roadmaps delivered. Agile, DevOps, GitHub Action, Jira tickets, it's fast-paced, iterative, and relentlessly focused on release velocity. But security doesn't play by these rules. Security success is not shipping a feature, it's reducing risk. Avoid incidents, blocking bad actors before they get in, and having the telemetry to know when they do. So, when we copy paste the agile framework into SOC or incident response project without rethinking the goal, we miss the point. Security isn't about speed, it's about control and visibility and trust. Now, the mismatch is in mindset. Security projects deal with human behaviors, attack surfaces, governance, and detection. It's not just code. And here's where the mismatches show up. Sprints favor what can be done first, not what's most risky. Ticket prioritizes completeness, not coverage. Code reviews check for syntaxes, not socio-technical threats. We end up shipping features that log event but don't detect threats. We build dashboard but not visibility. Now the result, beautiful Jira dashboard and a breach perimeter, maybe. What security project then actually need? Now let's reframe that. Security programs aren't software pipelines. They are risk reduction machines. That means we need to anchor every project to a threat scenario, not just a task backlog. Prioritize telemetry validation before tuning alerts. Bake in adversary emulation, not just unit testing. Expect shifts and build for resilience, not for velocity. In short, we must build with an attacker's point of view, not just a developer point of view. Now, here are some practical changes for a CISO or a security team to fix it on the ground. You can swap the definition of done with definition of defend. Refresh burnout chart with visibility maps. Use purple teaming as quality assurance. Introduce control coverage scorecard into retros. And most importantly, align your project lifecycle to MITRE attack, not just agile ceremonies. Remember, speed in development is good, but in security, speed without detection is just a faster breach. Now, here's a quick insight. Security project fail when they are judged by software matrices. Judge them by attacker friction, control performance, and visibility gain. The few shadows to watch here, overuse of a Jira as a substitute of threat modeling, automation without detection covering, celebrating completion over coverage. What do you think? Hope this has been insightful. Thank you for tuning in.